Good morning. It's 5 a.m. and I'm gonna be waking up at this time for a week straight. It's dark outside still. It's cold in my apartment and I don't want to get up. Honestly, I don't even feel that tired for some reason, but I just want to lay here. Or not gonna. I'm gonna lay here for a little on my phone until I decide to get up, but I'm gonna get up in like 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes, okay? Oh, my hair looks absolutely atrocious right now. Jeez, it's cold in here. I'm just so, like, I just really don't like the fact that it's so dark outside. I want the sun to rise. Ugh. I should try to rehang my LED lights. They're literally on the floor, like just hanging out. They're supposed to be around the bed frame, but they're all on the floor. So, they fell. I'm gonna hang out. My phone's up there. I'll get up in a minute or two. So, I woke up, you know, at 5 o'clock in the morning. I was filming. I stayed up until like 6:30, and then I was like, I'm just gonna close my eyes and rest for a little bit. So I did. And it's now later, but I'm still tired. It's still early. It's like 7:30. Coffee. Yep. Also, there's no sunrise because it's gloomy. So, yeah, okay, I'm gonna make coffee, edit a video, get some things done. Oh my god, I look bad. Yep. I'm gonna drink my coffee and do some things. I'm gonna do better at getting up. I'm gonna actually get up out of bed at 5 a.m. That was the problem today, is I did not get up out of the bed. But I'm going to tomorrow, and I'll see you guys then. I will update you through the day if I feel some type of way. But, yep, okay, see you. I just wanna sleep. I fell asleep yesterday morning, so today I need to like get out of bed. I don't want to, but I will, I think. Like eventually I'm gonna get out of bed today. Okay, pee. I literally don't want to get up. Gosh. I literally told myself last night, I was like, you literally just, you have to get out of bed. Like, just like get up. I don't want to. I'm cold now. It was literally hot like 5 seconds ago. Now I'm cold again. Lay back down. This is what happened last night. Not last night. Yesterday morning, and I went right back to snoozing. I'm back. Can you see that? It says 5:15. Okay. I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna make coffee. Guys, I really don't want to get up. This is not fun. Okay. Did I fall asleep right there? No. I'm struggling with waking up at 5 in the morning. The first morning I woke up and then I fell asleep at like 6:30, and then I woke up again at like 7:38. This morning I woke up, I struggled to wake up this morning, and then I stayed up until like 6:30 again. Fell asleep on this beanbag because I got out of bed. I was like, oh, I'm getting out of bed, it'll help. Right on the beanbag. Also, my hair looks really, it's rough. And I feel like I need to do something to make this video more interesting, and interesting. So, yeah, I don't know. It's literally 9:20 now. It's normal time. What do I do? Should we go to Starbucks? That could make a video fun, right? Should I get ready a little bit? No. Let's just, I'm gonna like make myself look a little bit better. That much better. And then we're just gonna go to Starbucks for some fun little content. Starbucks. This whole waking up thing early in the morning, props to like people that do, like props to Bradley, my boyfriend. Wakes up early almost every single day, like really early too, not just 5 a.m. like early, so I don't get it. I get it, like if you have somewhere to be, I guess it's not easier, but it's like you can do it better, if that makes, I don't know. Like the fact that I don't have anything to do is making it so difficult, I feel. Like I'm just like, ugh. For the next 3 days, I will get up at 5 a.m. I will get up at 5 a.m. I will do something so that I stay awake. I will not fall back asleep after 5 a.m. Blink, 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 blink.
Starbucks, what can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I get 2 iced white chocolate mochas with vanilla sweet cream cold foam?
What size are these?
Grande?
Alright, did you want to keep the whip on there?
No, thank you.
Alright, and what else for you?
That's gonna be it.
Perfect, it's gonna be $12.74.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ugh, my thing keeps like breaking. Ah. Look at that tiny little bird. Cute. Starbucks, whoa, the camera's got a funny angle on it right now. Starbucks is secured. I got 2 of them because I got one for my boyfriend and I'm gonna put it into the fridge. Okay, going back home now, that was it. That was our little Starbucks trip. That was so difficult. I literally spilled coffee like all over myself, low-key, because I could not get in the door. I had my hands full. And I dropped my camera on the floor. Oh my God, I have to turn the AC on. It is so muggy. Okay, so before I go, I just want to talk about the snack. So to have with my Starbucks, I have this pimple, but I'm also gonna eat a Built Bar. You guys have heard me talk about Built Bar. Super quick and easy breakfast this morning. I don't feel like cooking right now, so I'm not going to, but I'm gonna have this Built Bar. I literally love these things. If you've been on my videos, watched some of my videos before, you would know I absolutely love Built Bars. They're so good. 100% real chocolate, 0 guilt. This one has 180 calories, 19 grams of protein, and 100% taste. This is the peanut butter one. I'm really excited to try this one. Whoa, I dropped it. I love Built Bar because they taste so good and they're so good for you, so there's no guilt with eating like a literal chocolate bar. That's what it tastes like. So I'm gonna eat this. So I'm having this for breakfast this morning. It fills me up, it's good for me, and it tastes like I'm honestly eating a candy bar, so. I don't want to talk with my mouth full. If you're into working out even, you should definitely check out Built Bar. You guys can use my code OliviaMessler20. I have my mouth full, hold on. Use my code OliviaMessler20 at checkout for Built Bar. Definitely go check them out, they're so good. I've been loving them. I have them after workouts or before workouts sometime if I'm on an empty stomach, or for breakfast, or just as a snack. Sometimes they're super easy, quick and easy. You grab, you go, eat it up, you get filled up. It's great. So definitely go check out Built Bar. I'll have them in the description box along with my code on the screen. Everything will be down below though, so definitely go check out Built Bar because I've been loving it. So yeah, okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Better believe I'll be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new.
I don't know if that little transition works, but I hear my makeup. Right. These flowers Bradley got me yesterday, they're so beautiful. Okay. Wait, can you see it? No, you literally can't. Starbucks, there it is. Okay. Yeah, I'm in line. Okay, so I've decided I'm just gonna go inside because I think it's gonna be quicker than, that's not my mask, than going through the drive-thru because it's kind of taking a while, so. BRB, Starbucks is secured. Okay, now I'm going to Chick-fil-A, so. It's so good. Chick-fil-A secured. Okay, heading to my parents' bakery now. Bring them the Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna eat the Chick-fil-A. It's a good day. Oh. From Lonely Ghost, they sent me this package. I got 3 scrunchies. This is what they look like. And then I got 2 little AirPod cases. So cute. Hat. I don't really wear hats, but it's cute. It's a little canvas bag. This sweatshirt. 2 sweatshirts, but this one, I love sweatshirts. They're my favorite thing to wear, a little oversized. And then this one's probably my favorite. It's so cute. So, yeah. And then I bought this little from Sol Gennaro, this stuff, to try out this perfume. It smells so good already. I tried it. They sent me a little sample also of something that smells so good. So, smells so good. But yeah, that's what I got. And then his present's up here. Oh my god. I want to give it to him. Okay, so I'm giving his Valentine's Day present to him early because I literally cannot wait until Valentine's Day. So we're just gonna have a whole weekend of Valentine's Day, but I'm gonna film him.
Really? It is? How?
Never used to know about love.
How'd you do this?
Thought I did until I knew your heart didn't really go into much.
What's on here?
When it came to opening my heart.
What's on here?
Until you found a way to knock down
How?
everyone
When you did it?
kept all around.
How?
When you saw you come,
How'd you do that?
being loved by you is
Huh?
an honor.
How'd you do
If I
that?
ever lose you now,
What the heck?
losing myself too. I won't ever let you down. All my heart hopes you never do.
What's this down?
If the world ends tonight, better believe I'll be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody
I was so like excited. I want you to open it. I want to see the order.
I'm made from loving you.
I'm so loving.
This part's made from loving you. Never used to care about me. I always put the other half first. You showed me that ain't fair. Now I see, that's why I always felt the hurt. It's you that made me love myself. In a way, I've wanted someone else to love me. I guess that's why I love you more the more the days pass by. If I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. And I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. And if the world ended tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. You make me see you can never love someone until you love yourself the way you love me. I don't get tired of how I did